Welcome back to Hillcrest Energy Technologies channel with energy solutions powering the future. And joining us to talk about that future that's happening now, Don Currie, the CEO, as always. Welcome back, sir.
Thanks once again. We always enjoy doing this.
Yeah, and I love discussing some of this on the basically the pivotal edge of something absolutely incredible. As Hillcrest Energy Technologies unveils the power factor correction prototype to meet growing client demand, which is a bit of a mouthful and doesn't explain a whole lot. So that's why we have you on. So maybe break this down and simplify it for us.
Well, I'll see what I can do. It's interesting because we've gone from EV, where we're very well positioned and have a lot of knowledge into the grid or the stationaries we talk about. And almost every application in the grid is going to need this PFC, the power factor correction. And we've now got a prototype that's there, and we have a number of companies that are asking for this to be demonstrated to show it because it's a real need. And basically, it's power factor measures effectively how electrical power is converted into what they call useful work. A high power factor means more useful power is available. Low power factor means more power is wasted as reactive power, which is not useful. That imbalance increases, as we say in the press release, it increases the energy costs and reduces the working capacity of electrical systems. We've now come to a level where we've got a PFC that is demonstrating untold efficiencies and is quite effective, and will, number one, save money, which people are in overall costs, and it'll increase potential revenues down the road, efficiencies.
And you want to talk about the efficiencies a little bit. I don't know if you have the numbers off the top of your head, but I want people to understand like why this is so pivotal when it comes to like, saving energy and what it means for EVs to cloud computing and everything else in between.
Yeah, look, we're demonstrating efficiencies of 99.7%, and there are other efficiencies of 98%, 97%, so on and so forth, 95%. The higher efficiency means that there's less heat. The higher efficiency means that you have better thermal control and so on and so forth. It basically translates into far better revenue controls, both from the cost perspective and in the revenue generating area. So everybody's looking for that. Now, our efficiency is high on the inverter level, but what does it do to the overall system? It reduces electrical magnetic interference. We have many, many benefits that it goes to the overall system, giving a further benefit to it that other technologies just simply can't say they do.
Yeah, I definitely appreciate this insight, and it's incredible to see the news that continues to come out as the stock starts to get a bit of recognition. So if you're an investor, we'd love to know what you think in that comment section below, and consider subscribing. Like Catalyst and news, as it hits the wire like this, we'll bring it to you here. But on that, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.